Okay, so hello everyone, this is my birthday special video, and today I'm going to probably announce my first Blender product, so let's get started. So I have made a new black hole shader for EEVEE. It doesn't work on cycles for some reason. It's good, but it has good lens distortion and stuff, so I use it for EEVEE because it's a lot cleaner, but the thing is, it is a lot cleaner in EEVEE. So you can see I have a special background on the thing. And yeah, this is the black hole itself. You can see it has pretty nice lens distortion. And this is the shader. It will be around €2 on Blender Market or Kit. You can see there's edge lensing, photon ring, shadow, event horizon lensing, and they're all connected perfectly. And yeah, so it's pretty nice. And let's see what it looks like in cycles. You see it's kinda ugly and stuff, but yeah. Thanks for watching.